Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to add widgets on your Xiaomi 15T. So first of all, you have to long press your home screen on empty space like this and tap widgets at the bottom side of your screen. This will open widgets gallery, and here you can see many available widgets that you can set to your home screen. So here are really too much of them, so I will not get into details, but just explore this, and it's completely up to you. You can set up your perfect widgets for you that will work out for you the best. But basically, let's go to apps with multiple widgets, and those are the applications that support widgets. So for example, let me show you an example with my Gmail, for example. And this is the widget that I can set up using my Gmail application. Also, let's go to Photos, for example, and also those are the widgets. So in order to add some kind of widget, you just have to tap this Add button right here, and this will add widget to your home screen. And also you can tap and hold a widget like this to place it in different places on your home screen. You can move it around, or on some widgets you can resize them by dragging the corners right here, but as you can see, it is not possible. So basically some widgets can do that, and I recommend you to try that with different widgets, but as you can see, I cannot do that. But simply you just have to drag the corners that will appear right here and adjust its size. And finally, when you're done, you have to tap Done button in the top right corner of your screen to exit editing mode, and eventually to add your widgets to your home screen. And if you want to delete them, you just have to press and hold them like this and tap Remove button. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.